Hi, Joanna. Today we're going to work on IEP goals, lesson 3 and 4. Today is September the 4th, 2020. And just a reminder that Monday we don't have school for Labor Day. Okay, so let's get started. So goal number 3, you're going to be given numbers and you're going to have to figure out what's in the ones and tens place. It's what you did last week also. These are different worksheets, so let's get started. So here it is. I know it's kind of blurry, but let me help you out with number 1 and number 3. So always remember that one whole row is usually 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so it's 10. So right here we have 10. And if you can count them by tens, 10, 20, 30. So you have 30. So what is your number? 3, 0. Okay. Now this one has singles. So let's go. Remember, a whole row is 10 and 10 is 20. So let's count the singles. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So you put your 2 and your 6. Now go ahead and work on the rest of the problems. Sorry, go ahead and work on the rest of the problems and let's keep going to goal number 3. To the next goal. Goal number 4. So right here you're gonna be adding with double digits. And here we are. So number 1, 41 plus 39. So 1 plus 9 is 10. So you put your 0 here. Remember, you add a 1 up here. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. It's 80 right here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to work on the problems by yourself. Once you're done, you can upload them to Teams. If you have any questions, call me. Remember, these worksheets are in the packet that you have at home that you picked up at school. So go ahead and look for them and work on them in that paper. If you have any questions, call me. Thank you.